Once you've got a couple blog posts ready to go, it's time to have a place where they can actually be seen on the web. So I recommend setting up a site or a funnel. And once you've got a page set up, we can add the blog element to the site. So here I'm just going to go and access a little demo page here that I made. And we just have a simple header at the top. What we're going to do is we're going to add a section for the blogs to be housed. Now this can go on any of your pages, funnels, or websites that you've already created. You don't have to create a separate page for this if you already have one that you want to add it to. We just need to have a placeholder that we could add it in onto the blog element onto. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new section, and we'll click add a row. So in this case, we're just going to add one column just for this different style, but I'll show you some different styles that you can add it in. And we're going to click add element. Now what we're looking for is this blog element here. This is going to be the blog post list. So what it'll do is list out your blog posts that you have that you've already set up. So we're going to click blog post list and we're going to drag it in. Now, when you first drag this in, it's going to put some demo data in here. It's going to have like a gray image here. Please note, it's actually going to pull the information from your blogs and add it to the site. It's not going to actually put this demo information in. This is just for design purposes. It's going to pull the blogs that you already have on the system. So once you drag in that element, there's a couple of things that we can edit on it. We can change it from the standard layout, which is going to put 3 blogs in a row, or the compact layout, which is going to stack them on top of each other. You can also add how many blogs you want on that page. So you can select the number. And you can also customize this button down here. So right now it's stock. We just have a gray border. It says more stories on it, but we can change the text. So this could say more blogs if we want. We can also change the color of the button. So let's just select red. We can change the button text color. So right now it's gray. Let's change that to white. And we can also change the border color. So let's just change that to black. So here, now we've got our blog element set up. Now, once you save the site, what you can do is preview. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull the information that you have out there. So we made a demo blog in an earlier video. So let's just go and preview it. And as you can see, we just stacked it up. So now it's pulling the blog post onto the site. Now you'll notice that we titled it sample blog post. We had a short description here, and then also the image that we uploaded for that blog. So it's going to tap into that information and pop that in from there. So we only have one blog post actually published. If we had more blog posts, it would just stack them on top. So as you can see, we can change the style. So let's change it over to standard here, and we'll save that. And then we'll preview what that looks like here. So now you can see it's pulling that information and displaying it there. If we had more blog posts, it would post them right next to this. So that's how you add a blog to a website or funnel.